What is a snowstorm? A snowstorm, where precipitation falls as snow, is called a snowstorm. In the winter, most precipitation forms as snow within the clouds because temperatures at the top of the storm are cold enough to make snowflakes. Snowflakes are collections of frozen ice crystals that form as water vapor condenses into droplets and freezes. These ice crystals stick together as they fall towards the ground, forming snowflakes. If the air temperature remains at or below 0 Celsius between the cloud and the ground, the precipitation will fall as snow. If the air near the ground is above freezing temperature, the precipitation will melt to form rain or freezing rain. How do snowstorms form? Snowstorms begin with moist air rising up into the atmosphere, just like other types of storms. Rising air is common at a cold front where warm air is lifted above cold air and is necessary for cloud formation and precipitation. Rising air can also happen as air moves up a large hill or mountain. A source of moisture, such as blowing across a large lake or ocean, is necessary for clouds and precipitation to form. The final ingredient, and the one that makes a winter storm different from other storms, is cold air. Below freezing air temperatures near the ground and up to the clouds will cause precipitation to fall as either snow or ice. However, extremely cold air is not able to hold as much moisture and thus will not make much snow. This explains why some of the coldest places on Earth, like Antarctica, receive very little precipitation throughout the year. Snowstorm safety. Stay indoors and wear warm clothes. Layers of loose-fitting, lightweight, warm clothing will keep you warmer than a bulky sweater. If you feel too warm, remove layers to avoid sweating. If you feel chilled, add layers. Eat regularly. Food provides the body with energy for producing its own heat. Keep the body replenished with fluids to prevent dehydration. Drink liquids such as warm broth or juice. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine, a stimulant, accelerates the symptoms of hypothermia. Alcohol, such as brandy, is a depressant and hastens the effect of cold on the body. Alcohol also slows circulation and can make you less aware of the effects of cold. Both caffeine and alcohol can cause dehydration.